Hi guys, Steve from the All Electric family. Today I'm going to walk you through a charger that I got that I'm really excited about because of its capabilities and its vast uses that we can do. It is a company that is usually outside of the United States, but it is actually bringing its product to the United States, and it is a Pergear Level 2 charger that can actually select the amount of amps that you are getting, also schedule charging, and then also connect via Wi-Fi. So we're going to go through all that stuff, make sure it all works, and show you the unboxing of it. So let's get started. Alright, right away I like it because it comes with a carrying case. Alright, so let's get her open. This is a 25-foot cable, so it should be able to reach most places. So the nice thing about this charger, what I was excited about, is that it has a mount that you can actually mount at home, and then you can place the charger on that mount when you're at home, so it's a clean look. It has it in its right position right by your plug, and then when you need to take it with you, you're traveling, all you do is just take it off that mount and take it with you. It also has a J1772 holster. With this Pergear Level 2 charger, you can go up to 40 amps. You can select all the way down to 12 amps, which I really like. It does come hardwired with the 1450 plug, so it appears like you cannot switch that out, so you'll have to have some adapters on the back end if you are using this for a travel charger that you could run into, you know, whether that be a 30 amp or even just a regular outlet. The nice thing is this actually comes with a rubber plug that goes over it for when you're traveling. You can go ahead and put this on there just to keep the pins safe. Yeah, let's go get this thing hooked up and see what its capabilities are and make sure that it works. Well, I've had some time with the charger. I've taken about 2 weeks to charge exclusively with this charger, and it's worked flawlessly. There hasn't been any sort of hiccups. It does select. It's got 5 different selections, all the way from 10 amps all the way up to 40 amps. You can set that both in the app and also on the head unit. It's pretty easy. The one thing I did figure out is you cannot change it while you're charging. Well, it's not an app, so you have to connect through Wi-Fi. You have to actually log on to the IP address of the actual charger. So this is a charger you cannot access away from home or anything like that. It doesn't directly tie into your Wi-Fi router. And then you can, once again, do the selection of the amperage. You can also set a schedule for when you want it to charge, that sort of thing. You can press this button and then it opens the flap of your Tesla vehicle, so it does have that. Hopefully you found this review helpful. If you want me to do more on these chargers, I would love to. We're, you know, being asked to do more and more on these chargers, and I would like to give my 2 cents if you guys are wanting to hear it. And if there's something else that you'd like to see me add into a review, please let me know that as well. Alright, we'll see you on the next one, guys.